Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide apps in Infinix Note 40. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more interesting content. Firstly, we have option of Phone Master here. Just click on Phone Master and then click on Settings. Just allow notification of Phone Master, and then as you see, we have this window appears. Scroll it down to X hide here. Click on X hide and then draw a pattern or any password. I am changing password type because I prefer numeric password. Then set 4-digit password here. Re-enter the password again. After that, if you want to sign in, so just sign in or skip, or you guys can also skip this option. Just click on skip. After that, X side window appears. So we have option of apps here. Just click on apps and then click on plus sign or addition sign. Then we have all the application of mobile phone here. Just select those application only which you want to hide. I am selecting Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and then confirm it. See, these applications are now hidden. Then go back to home screen. See, we don't have option of Facebook, Instagram and Messenger. If you want to access the app, all you have to do like this. Then we have option of a password here. Just enter the password which you set and then go to apps. See, these applications are here. If you want to access any application, you can access from here. Like I am access Facebook. So this is how you can hide application in Infinix Note 40. I hope this video helped you guys. So like the video and follow us for more content. See you guys in next video. Take care.